Let's get into this video, guys. And I'm going to be talking to you again. You know, it's something about when you have peace in your life, you can get things accomplished. You can get things done. Your mind is not jumbled where you can't focus on getting things done. And I'm going to tell you, I was never meant to focus on the things that would bring me joy and happiness in life. But I am. See, all of the witchcraft and the bad luck being sent my way for years was supposed to make me cave, and it almost did. I was supposed to have a house full of kids on welfare because that's what I was destined to be. My grandmother never missed the opportunity to tell me that. My mom put me out at 16 years old. Threw me out like I was the trash. And I was never supposed to achieve anything. But you know what? When you have that determination in you, you're gonna make it and succeed no matter what. I got so much peace now. It's 5:01. I've been up since about 3 o'clock. I can get up now and focus. Just watch as I complete this beautiful arrangement. Got my pumpkin, guys. When I did this DIY, I didn't think to change the flowers out for different seasons, but it makes sense now. I'm gonna add a little fall to my living room to this arrangement. It's sad than when people do demonic stuff to you. And then they don't want you to speak on it because they embarrassed. You can't be that embarrassed, otherwise you wouldn't have done it. You know what God says? What's done in the dark will come to the light. You just didn't think it was going to come to the light on you. You, P. Diddy, and everybody out there is calling themselves messing with people, trolling people, raping people, molesting people. It's all coming to the light, guys. This is the time. I'm just a messenger of God. And I'm telling you, if you don't stop that mess, if you don't want it to come to the light, then stop doing it. Because God got so many of us online now exposing you guys. And I'm not going to stop. As long as he tell me to get on here and make a video, I'm going to be right on this platform making a video. I never wanted to talk about this. Never. I've been keeping this a pretty tight secret since 21. Even when she called me one time talking about somebody called her and talking about what I was talking about on my channel, and she tried to shut me down. Don't they say what you talking about? You know, I don't think you should be talking about it. You don't have no way of contacting me now, do you, to tell me not to talk about it? And even if you did, I'm not going to stop, because I'm God's child. And when God say he's tired of all of this demonic stuff going on in this world, and he's exposing it, look how people are being exposed left and right. And others still are not heeding the warning. When Jeffrey Epstein got exposed, you would have thought that P. Diddy would have heeded the warning. But he didn't. You would have thought others that was helping him would have heeded the warning. But they didn't. Too late now, ain't it, guys? Same way it's too late for them, it's too late for you. I'm going to speak on it. Because people need to know all of this demonic mess that's going on in this world, so they can try to figure out how come they can't take a step forward without taking 6 backwards. Alright, that's DIY number 2. I'll show you all this as much as you can. Guys, that turned out so beautiful. I'm telling you, when I'm in my quiet, peaceful apartment and I'm creating, it just gives me more peace. Now, I'm gonna do a vignette with this. I found this little piece at Dollar General. I'm going to use this little bowl to raise my flower arrangement. I'm going to put my blessed pumpkin right in front. I have a pine cone that I'm going to put right in the back there. And I have this beautiful acorn that I got from Michael's. You guys remember these? And this was another little DIY that I did. I'm glad that I'm creative. And I tell you guys, sometimes if I got a lot on my mind, craziness, when I start doing DIYs or just creating stuff, I forget all about that foolishness that I've had in my life. Let's go in for a closer look, guys. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. I appreciate it so much, guys. Being a YouTube creator, it helps me. People don't understand. Sometimes you have to be your own advocate for peace. You have to do things for your peace of mind. You have to learn how to calm your mind, calm your spirit. If you suffer from PSTD, try crafting. Try meditating. Try listening to some music. Do something so you won't be out here in the world being demonic. I'm going to tell you guys, in this world, there is so much stress going on, so many crazy things that has happened to you in the past that's still mentally getting to you. You better learn how to calm your mind and your spirit. And for me, that's crafting. For me, that's being creative. For me, that's rearranging my apartment, doing little things like this. And you know what I always say, guys? Don't let nobody disturb your joy and your peace. Keep toxic people away from you. Kick them to the curb. Ain't nobody got time for that foolishness. Somebody just messing with you because they think they can. They need to go get help and leave you the hell alone. People running around here, their job is stressing them out. Their boss is stressing them out. Their co-workers are stressing them out. And they're going home and taking it out on their kids and taking it out on their family, taking it out on people when they driving with road rage and everything. This world we live in is so demonic. But you better learn how to pray, get in that Bible, and stay away from this demonic mess in this world. Be blessed, guys.